Hello FMG, today we are going to see some picture-based questions. So, in the picture-based questions we have C. Scientists, vaccination, programs, instruments, entomology, organizations, and charts, and demography, and international health. So now we are going to discuss about famous scientists. Hippocrates, John Snow, Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, James Lind, Walter Reed, Ronald Brass, Edwin Chadwick. Now we are going to see about vaccination. This is BCG vaccine, intradermal. We have to put in intradermal freeze-dried vaccine. So course after BCG vaccine, papillary 2 weeks is present, and after that 4-week ulceration is present, after that 6 weeks scare is present. This one is suppurative lymphadeninitis. This one is measles vaccine, and this one is Japanese encephalitis vaccine. Dose is 0.5 ml, route is subcutaneous, site is left triceps, subcutaneous fold. So now we are going to see about vaccine vial monitor. Stage 1, the center part is white color, it shows good to utilize, and stage 2, the outer part is hash color, it also good to utilize. And stage 3 is the central square is equal to or darker than surrounding circle, that is bad to utilize. So don't use this vaccine for babies. And this is shake test. And this is ILR to keep the vaccines in that ILR. This one is vaccine carrier. You have to 4 packs around the vaccine carrier. And this one is dial thermometer. This one is log tag temperature recorder. And so now we are going to see about the programs. This is Mission Indradhanush. This one is vaccination for all babies. You must to get. Don't forget. And this one is EVIN, that is Indicated Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. And we are going to see about the health programs, or NTCP, DOTS, and RKSH, Rakshitya Kishore Shashwantya Karam. And this one is Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakaram. And this one is Pradhan Mandri Surakshat Mandriva. This one is for pregnant women. And the sticker color, red indicates cigarette patients, and blue indicates high blood pressures, and yellow indicates other disease. Home-based newborn and child care. RBSK, Rakshitriya Bal Shashwantya Karayakaram, from survival to healthy survival. Indian Newborn Action Plan, INAP. And this one is NVBDCP, National Vector Board. Prevention of parent to child transmission of HIV, PP, TCT. And this one is National Leprosy Elimination Program. This one is indicated as PB adult treatment, passive bacillary adult treatment. Once a month, day 1, 2 capsule of rimpafizine, 300 mg into 2, and 1 tablet of dapsone. Once a day, day 2 to 28, 1 tablet of dapsone, 100 mg. Full course is 6 blister packs. And this is multibacillary adult blister pack. Once a month, day 1, 2 capsules of rimpafizine, and 3 capsules of clofazimine, and 1 tablet of dapsone. Once a day, day 2 to 28, 1 capsule of clotromycin, 50 mg, 1 tablet of dapsone, 100 mg. Full course is 12 blister packs. This one is National Program for Control of Blindness. This one is Sound Disable Hearing 2030. Goal to reduce avoidable hearing impairment of 50% by 2015 and 90% by 2030. ICDS and supplementary nutrition. Beneficiary children 6 to 72 months, calories 500 kilocalories, and proteins is 12 to 15 gram. Severely malnutrition children 6 to 72 months, 800 calories and 20 to 95 grams proteins. And pregnant and lactating mothers is 600 calories and 18 to 20 protein gram. This one is growth monitoring scale, non-formal preschool education, MWCD, schemes for adolescent girls, Kishori Shakti Yojana, Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adults and girls, SABLA, for pregnant, Indira Gandhi Matruva Sagaya Yojana, renamed of Pradhan Mandri Matriva Vandana Yojana. Ujawala scheme is prevent for trafficking of women and children. Components is prevention, rescue, rehabilitation, reintegration, and repatriation. Ujala Unat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. Domestic efficient lighting program. This one is clean fuel for better life for all poor women. RSBY, implemented by Ministry of Labour and Employment, now under MOHFW. Health insurance of BPL families. Entitled to aspiration covers up to 30,000. 5 members of the family need to pay 30 rupees as registration fees. This one is sustainable development of core goals. No poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality of education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, and decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainables and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, and life on land, peace, justice and stronger institution, partnership for the goals. This is called sustainable development of the goals. And this one is National Health Mission to reduce MMR to 1 or 20,000 live births, IMR 25 to 1,000 live births, total fertility rate to 2.1, instant mortality of TB by off, annual malaria instances 1 by 1000, 1% Mika malaria prevalence in all districts, Kala Azar elimination by 2040, 1 case per 1,000 population in all blocks. Achieve single digit NMR by 2030 with all the states to individually achieve this target by 2035. NITI, National Institution for Transforming India, Agoya. 1st January 2050 started. Policy Commission, Prime Minister Chairperson. MREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This one started at September 2005. Unskilled manual work for Gram Panchayat, job crowd within 15 days. Employment for within 15 days of application for work. Wage rate not be less than 60 per day. Equal wages to both men and women, and 5 kilometer radius of the villages beyond 5 kilometer extra wages of 10%. At least 1/3 beneficiaries for women. Suraksha clinics, sexual and reproductive health services by National AIDS Control Organization. One gray is UD, CD, ARD, painful scrotal swellings, PSS. Second green one is called vaginal discharge. And third one, white, is called genital ulcer disease, non-herpetic. So treatment of choice is injection benzathine penicillin and tablet azithromycin. And blue color code is called genital ulcer disease, non-herpetic. For patient allergic to penicillin, tablet doxycycline, tablet azithromycin. Red color indicates genital ulcer disease, herpetic. 6 color indicates yellow color indicates lower abdominal pain. Black indicates inguinal bubo. Abhayam Indradhanush, change of bedsheet according to Vijaya pattern in ESIC hospitals to give more emphasis on hygienic and cleanliness in the hospital.